Looking to start your own private transportation business in Malaysia? Whether it's taxis, private hire vehicles, or shuttle services, the transportation industry is booming and offers exciting opportunities. Step 1. Research the market. Malaysia's transportation sector is diverse, with options ranging from car rentals to ride-hailing services. Choose your niche and decide whether you want to focus on luxury transport, daily commutes, or business travel. Step 2. Register your business and obtain the necessary licenses. Malaysia requires private transport operators to have specific permits, including vehicle registration and insurance. 3E Accounting Malaysia can guide you through the process seamlessly. Step 3. Invest in reliable vehicles. Whether you lease or buy, your vehicles must be well maintained to ensure safety and comfort. Regular servicing and insurance are a must. Step 4. Market your private transportation services. Create a website, use social media, and partner with local businesses to spread the word. Offering convenient booking options like an app can set you apart from competitors. Starting a private transportation business in Malaysia can be rewarding with the right strategy and support. Contact 3E Accounting Malaysia today, and let's get started on the road to success. Let's make your dream business into a reality.